Hello everyone, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's we'll try to do the touch sampling rate test on this IQ7 device after adding the applications into the ultra game mode. So as friends, without adding into the ultra game mode and with adding into the ultra game mode, it makes a lot of difference. And just yesterday I did upload a video on this particular topic comparing with other smartphones, and where the IQ7 phone didn't perform well when I compared in this video. And a lot of users did comment under my video that saying that can you please try to add the applications into the ultra game mode, then the touch sampling rate will be increasing. As you can see, these are the comments which I got for my video, as you can see friends clearly. So then I started to add the applications into the ultra game mode. Then I did see a plenty of huge difference between the touch sampling mode by adding and without adding. So only I think in the IQ7 device at this moment you can only get the application support higher touch sampling rate if they were added into the ultra game mode. So in case if you want me to do same kind of comparison again today evening, I'll definitely do that video friends, comparing with other smartphones, adding these applications into their game turbo mode and just checking side by side everything. So make sure to comment below in case if you want that video. Definitely I'll do it today by evening, same time around 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock. So right now let's test friends by adding into the ultra game mode. Here is the ultra game mode. Try to click on this arrow mark and try to click plus mark and try to add the applications which I'm going to test. So let me try to show you two applications friends which I'm trying to test right now, which is a touch multi-test option application, and next is a touch screen test application. So these two applications I'll be using in this kind of video, and same applications I used even yesterday as well. So you can check that video in case if you want to know what are the results without using ultra game mode. So let's get started friends. So first let me try to even show you the refresh rate, how much I'm trying to use. So let me try to go to the refresh rate. As you can see, the refresh rate I'm trying to use is the 120 Hz. You can clearly see here. And a few of the users they did ask me to minus the score by the 120 Hz refresh rate, and then you will get the actual touch sampling rate. Because whatever score we got in this multi-touch application, that you need to manage with the 120 Hz display. So that is what a lot of users they did even comment under my videos. And definitely friends, I try to do that kind of minus, and then I'll try to show you exactly what will be the refresh rate of this IQ7 device. So let's see. And the company is claiming the refresh touch sampling rate will be about 300 Hz touch sampling rate, and the instant touch sampling rate will be 1000 Hz. But right now after adding into the game turbo mode, I can only see the maximum close to 420 Hz, as you can see here friends. So it's only going up to 416 and 417 and 420. So take as a maximum 420 as a round figure, so which will be easy for our understanding. As you can see, it can only go up to 420 Hz, as you can see friends. So 420 Hz touch sampling rate. Let me try to use the 5 fingers. As you can see right now it's going up to 420 only, so it doesn't matter how many times I do. So if I do speed, it's around 380, 370, 350, 360, 370 and 380. If I do slowly, 420, as you can see friends, clear difference. So the maximum I did see the touch sampling rate is about 420 Hz in this IQ7 device. So without adding ultra game mode, it will be really less, I think close to 240 Hz. So let me try to do the minus thing. So 420 Hz touch sampling rate which we got, and 120 Hz refresh rate which we need to do the minus thing. So now we got exactly 300 Hz touch sampling rate in this IQ7 device, as you can see friends. So finally, yes, the IQ7 supports the touch sampling rate of 300 Hz, so no need to worry at all. But only thing is that you need to use those applications in this ultra game mode in case if you want to experience really faster instant touch sampling rate. That is what I'll try to recommend friends. So try to add not only games, even the applications as well. You can try to add number of applications in this mode directly without much problem. Let me try to check this kind of. Next is a touch screen touch, so which also added into the, as you can see, ultra game mode. Yesterday I did not see that kind of straight line yesterday, but today I'm seeing that kind of straight line, as you can see friends clearly. So in yesterday's videos I did see this kind of dots, something like that, but today I did see the straight line. As you can see right now I'm seeing the straight line. As you can see right now I did see the straight line. You can clearly see friends, straight line in this IQ7 device right now. So yes, the ultra game mode makes a lot of difference, huge difference, and the touch sampling rate is exactly accurate what the company is claiming, so there is no doubt in that. And So definitely friends, using this Game Turbo and Ultra Game mode in this mobile phone and Game Turbo in the MI Linux device makes lot of sense in terms of the performance improvement and even in terms of the touch sampling rate improvement as well. Because whenever I added the benchmarks in the Game Turbo mode in the MI Linux device, CPU throttling or AnTuTu benchmark, they did really very better results we got in this MI Linux device. So before I did underestimate this kind of Game Turbo modes and even the Ultra Game mode, but later on we got to know if you want to experience the full potential and full performance of your mobile phone, then definitely you need to use this Ultra Game mode and the Game Turbo mode. As you can see friends, right now I don't have any kind of problem at this point. So both are kind of straight and smooth. So as you can see friends, the touch sampling rate, which is exactly as accurate, which is really good, as you can see right now. And this is a test which I'm trying to do without adding into the Ultra Game mode. As you can see friends right now, so there is no Ultra Game mode enabled in this IQ7 device. So now I'm getting only 240 and 230. As you can see, only 240. So this is what I did yesterday in that video where I did compare with the Epic comparison without using any kind of Game Turbo mode or Ultra Game mode, sorry. So that is the reason why we experience the really less touch sampling rate. So this doesn't mean the IQ7 touch sampling rate is really low. So you will be experiencing only the touch sampling rate in only Ultra Game mode applications or games whatever you added. But whereas in this MI Linux device you will experience the touch sampling rate in every application, most of the applications. So irrespective of whether adding into the Game Turbo or not. That is the only difference between MI Linux and the IQ7 device. As you can clearly see friends, I did disable the Ultra Game mode as well. Adding as a game, I did disable right now. And let me try to use the second test, which is a screen touch testing. As you can see right now, I'm not seeing that straight line. I'm seeing that kind of circles, as you can see friends. So it's proved that only adding into the Ultra Game model, you will be able to get that kind of high touch sampling rate friends. So this is what I tried of comparing. So with adding and without adding in one single video. So you know exactly how the touch sampling rate is behaving in this IQ7 device when compared with the before. So thank you friends for watching this video, and don't forget to check the links in description, and definitely if possible I'll try to make another video as well by adding all these applications into the Game Turbo in the MI Linux and in this phone and even in the OnePlus 9R and even other smartphones as well if possible. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.